I'm about to go on the Caledonian sleeper, if you can hear me above the tannoy. Going on the Caledonian sleeper from Glasgow Central down to Euston. And I've just come across the first problem, which is if you have a case which is a bit bigger like this and you have another smaller case, you really can't get both of them into one of the cabins. So I'm told the guard's van is up this end, up the front end. I thought the guard's van was at the back. The guard's van is up the front end. And this is not the guard's van, this is the engine. This is not where you put things. Is it? This is clearly I think an extra engine. So we'll go down the bottom end. Okay, we've found the guard's van, which is just behind the one in front. The lady was right. And it looks like any spare luggage goes in with bicycles and the laundry. Okay, here we are, back. Having got rid of the stuff, got rid of the case, we're back to the cabin. Okay, we have one case in already. It's pretty full at that. Of the earths. There's not a lot of room in these things. The mirror gives you an impression of a bit more room, but it doesn't really help much. Control your temperature, it's usually too hot. And you've got lights and everything else. And straps to stop you falling off from the top bunk. And there's your stairs up to the top bunk. And under here, I have my slippers. You got your little sink, hot and cold water. It's okay. Some complimentary water. And somewhere to hang your clothes. And it looks like interconnecting cabins as well if you've got a family going down. Okay, the trouble is you can't go and leave your cabin locked, it's always unlocked, which is a bit silly, so you have to take anything that's valuable, like this little camera here, take that with you.
Well, unlike the old cabins, these cabins don't seem to lock on the outside.
These cabins don't.
That's
They
I
never
can
locked.
see the key now.
They never locked the last time, never got the key. Okay, that's it. You can't lock it because you have no key. So, find your way to the buffet car. Treat ourselves to something nice, even if it's only a cup of tea. Hiya. Just changed a bit since the last time we were here.
We've got about 4 different variations of the lounge. They're all, all within the same size, but they're all different. This one just set out as tables just for dining.
Nice.
It just depends on which one we use on the Have a look at the menu, come down and see in every side.
Saying that was a nice decaf coffee, not all brandy. That's a sleeper train making the second last stop up from Euston. Carstairs Station, Carstairs Junction. It's about midnight. Junction in Euston. Oof, a bit too hot in bed.
What?
Temperature control doesn't work. Goodness knows what it's like if you turn it up to hot. And that window, we haven't worked out how to get the window open.
Aye.
Complimentary breakfast. A biscuit. And a hot drink. Not a bad coffee though. Right, so that's 7:05 approximately.
Yep.
And we got he woke us at 1:45 with our breakfast. We'll have to go off by past. I'll have a quick splash before we go. One last try. Ah, the window does open. There we are. Yay, we're here. So they do give you a little hack in the morning. They knock your door, they give you a coffee and a biscuit. Packet of shortbread. Okay, goodbye. Just about to experience first class lounge. So a couple of towels. Some fruit, newspapers, that's quite good. It's quite nice.